Good morning everyone. I slept like a baby last night. It got down to about 2 degrees, but my sleeping bag was unreal. Last night I was so warm to the point that I actually had to unzip myself out of it in the middle of the night and kind of just air myself out because I got very hot. It is 8 o'clock. I've been up for a couple of hours now. I've just been chilling out, had some breakfast. And I've just kind of left the door open here because, again, condensation was pretty bad. The entire left side of my sleeping bag ended up getting a bit wet, so I've left it to air out. Kind of just hung it up on my trekking poles. But yeah, my sleeping mat's a little bit damp. You can kind of see along there it's a little bit wet. But yeah, I've got roughly about a 15-mile hike today. As you can see here, I've got a bit of a climb this morning, going up Conic Hill, but then we'll be coming straight back down. I'm either going to have a campsite or wild camp just outside the restriction zone, because if you carry on along Loch Lomond, about halfway there's an area that's not restricted, so I'm going to double check that, make sure there's not been any updates since I did my research, because obviously I don't want to get any fines or get told off. I want to respect everything. So yeah, I'm just going to slowly get packed away and I'll bring you guys back in a bit. Alright, that's me packed away. That's where the tent was last night. Everything's in there. Got my rubbish bag on the back there. Leave no trace as per. That's my bum bag, so I'll put that on in a bit. Yeah, let's get going, shall we? But yeah, Conic Hill, amazing. Bit of a tourist hotspot, and I'm just coming into the car park for it now. But yeah, the summit was way easier than coming down. My god, my knees are shot already. So yeah, beautiful, and hopefully the drone shots came out okay, because it was beautiful up there. stocked up on supplies at the hotel. They had a lovely shop there. A little bit spenny, but at least I now know that I've got everything I need. About 1.2 miles, the sign said behind me, until we leave the until I leave the camping management zone. So yeah, I think it's roughly 3 o'clock, so I should get there pretty soon and have enough time to relax before bed. I mean, the views here are pretty insane. I've just been kind of taking it all in. You can kind of see up there, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up even if I zoom in, but there's still snow on the peak up there, which is quite cool. It just goes to show that it's definitely way colder up there than it is down here. I think I'm going to leave you guys here for today. Might do a little bit more filming, but it's cold, it's cloudy, and as nice as view is, I kind of just want to, take it in and just kind of have an early night, I think. So I think I'm just going to leave you guys here, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.